Hello guys, welcome back to our channel again. So in the previous video we have discussed about the list. Now our new data type comes, which is DQ. Now first of all, what are the benefits of DQ and what are the drawbacks of, first of all we will discuss. So for that we'll take the page of Gigs for Gigs. In this it is written that it is most efficient way to insert and delete from the front and back, but we cannot insert the elements in between and cannot delete the elements in between of the array, or sorry, in between the queue. So a drawback is there that we cannot insert in between and we cannot delete in between, but the benefit is that it is most efficient in pushback, push front, pop back and pop front operation, and it is all the benefits of that and of that list is followed here also, unlike vector. So now we'll discuss that how we'll implement DQ. So for that we have to just replace it by DQ, simple DQ, data type, its name, simply taking the values, push front and push back. So push front, if we push the values in the front, let's first change the values 5, 12, 31, 1, 50, 43. So let's suppose this has a value. Now let's run it. So we get our output as reversed output because we are pushing in the front. Now let's push back. So we push back, we got our proper sequence. Simply we can do pop also, v1 dot pop underscore back, and simply passing it. So from pop, this 43 will be paste. So 43 is gone. Now if we pop from front, then what will be not there? 1 2 1 2 will be not there in this whole DQ. So it is not there. So pop, so push and pop will be clear. Now again, all the operations which are there in the list will also be there. So we will use that. First of all we will use max size, max underscore size, AD size. Sorry, we have not printed it. So we have given the max size, which is a very huge size. So you can insert half a billion in this also. So it does not require to take care of size in this also. Now let's see the current size of v1. So v1 dot size. So this will tell us the size. So we get 5 as our size. Now in this name there is no indentation, sorry, there is no indexing. So for that, if we want to print some values of particular index, for that we have to do v1 dot at and its index or its value. Value means the series in which it comes. So for second, what it will come? The second index which is there. So the value here, it will be 1. So we got 1. Now this is the printing of the number. Now if we want to directly filter the first value, which is the first value, so how we do? Cout v1 dot front, v1 dot front, we got our front as this. Now simply we can do this also. So v1 dot back, so it will get 43. Similarly, unlike list also, we will not use this also, because in competitive we require to delete, or we require to take the values from middle, or we require to insert the values from in the middle. So that's why we does not use DQ in too much in specific question where we have to just push back and pop back. In that condition we will use this DQ. So DQ is also not that much used. Now this is a very simple data type in which you can insert in begin or at the end or pop also from that only. Simply it will also have all the four its letters, begin and R begin, C begin, all that. Now after that max size I have told to you. Assign will be similar for all the elements where I have told you in the vector. Assign is same for all the one. Now resize will also be the same. After that clear will erase all the elements and erase will erase some of the particular elements. In DQ also it is same. Empty, it will check that it is empty or not. After that more operations are there, just like swap and add or absolute, or many are there. So if you want to study more operations on DQ, I'll give you the link of Gigs for Gigs. From that you can study easily. So if you want to study more, link will be in the description. So in the next video we will discuss the priority queue. So if you want to study priority queue, subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. And if I forgot something in this DQ, please comment it down. I'll make a video on that also, or I'll include that in the next video.